looking at this fraction expression, which involves factorization, let's have a go. Notice this one is now division. Division of fractions implies keep, change, flip. We cannot compute the calculation like this, but we need to apply the laws of inversion. So within the first part here, I can already see some factorization that's happening. Here's a x cubed minus 1, x cubed minus 1. I'm going to extract that as a common factor. So here's x to the 3 less 1. When I extract the common bracket there, I'm left with 9x squared minus 4. There is potential for this. And then this one here is a trinomial, which we can do using the T1C. So I'll do it here. T1C. Term 1's value is 3, so the pairs are 1 times 3 and 3 times 1. And the constant is 2. 1 times 2 and 2 times 1. Now we need to work towards getting negative 1 as our answer. So possibly 1 times 2 yields 2. 1 by 3 yields 3. And to get negative 1, that's a minus, that's a plus. Bring the signs back. That's a minus. That's a plus. So your trinomial factorizing here is x minus 1, 3x plus 2. Now, this division, keep, change, flip. You keep the first fraction as it is, you change division to multiplication, and you flip the second fraction. So the denominator is now going to be the numerator, and the numerator is now going to turn to the denominator. I can pull out a common 3, leaving me with 3x plus 2. And in the denominator, or the numerator that's the new denominator, we're going to pull out 3 as a common factor. X squared plus x plus 1. There we go, guys. Let's go further. Here's the difference of cubes. So we are going to apply cube factorization. X minus 1. X squared plus 1 plus x. This square bracket, I can apply difference of two squares. 3x plus 2, 3x minus 2. X minus 1, 3x plus 2. Over here, 3 by 3x plus 2. And in the denominator, I can't see that this is factorizable by inspection, so we leave it as it is. Now, students, because this is a monomial expression, see if we can cancel anything out in this monomial. I see a x minus 1 at the top and at the bottom. I see a 3x plus 2 at the top and the bottom. I see this whole trinomial present. And I see 3. So, let's see what we are left with. In the numerator, I'm left with 3x plus 2, 3x minus 2. And in the denominator, there's nothing left. So you are welcome to leave your answer as it is. Now for the hardest one for this video, involving times, divide, fractions, and factorization. Let's have a go at this. I'm seeing trinomial, 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 trinomial. So there's going to be a lot of T1Cs, which I'm going to do on a separate piece of paper just to make it neater on our final copy. Taking the first one, T1C. The pairs to make the term 1 are here and the constant. Cross multiply them to obtain 5. Possibly 1 times 3 is 3. And 2 times 4 is 8. In order to get 5, that must be a plus and a minus. Bring the signs back. Plus, minus. So now, the first one is going to be x plus 4. And the denominator is 2x minus 3. There we go. Doing it for the denominator of the first part. The term 1 is 8. And the last term is 9. So I'm listing the pairs. Let's obtain negative 18. Possibly 2 by 3 is 6. And 4 by 3 is 12. We can obtain a minus 18 if they're both negative. So our brackets are going to be 2x minus 3, 4x minus 3. Okay, there we go. Now that we have the method of how to approach this using the T1C, I'm going to continue with 1, 2, 3, 4 more of them over here. You can pause the video as well and give it a try. And then once we commence, let's see if we got the same answer. Within the monomial, see if there's anything we can simplify. So I'm going to take it section for section. Over here, there's a 2x minus 3 at the numerator and the denominator. Within this one, I can see it. And I'm not really going to fiddle with this one yet because of the division. So I'm left with the expression x plus 4 over 4x minus 3 multiplied by 3x minus 1 over 5x plus 1. And then division says keep, change, flip. So we've kept the first part, we change divide to times, and we flip this. So it's 4x minus 3 by 5x plus 1 over the inversion. So there. Now that everything's being times, let's see if there's any further cancellations that can occur. In the numerator, there's a 4x minus 3 as well as in the denominator. There's an x plus 4 at the top and at the bottom. There's a 5x plus 1 at top and bottom. And that looks like all. So at the top, I'm left with 3x minus 1. And at the bottom, I'm left with x minus 5.
If you've enjoyed this video and you've learned something from it, you may want to check this one out next. A like and a subscribe will help us to grow our channel, and feel free to share this with any of your friends so we can all achieve academic success together. See you in the next one.